Hi Craig, hi Rebecca. Based on Rebecca's feedback, wanted to show the multiple exhibits. So I am on the staging server for EP1 and this is the job 5528. Let me check its current inventory. So as we see, it has currently one exhibit with one quantity and this exhibit doesn't have any graphics to it. Now let me go ahead and edit it. So my this exhibit and this exhibit has graphics. So let me go ahead and select them and I will enter two quantity of each of them. So this one comes up, it has two main graphics and two shared, three shared rather. So let me select first one of each. I click save. It asks me to select the graphics for the second unit. If I try to save it, it asks me please select graphics. So I come down. So now even for the main ones, it is showing as not available. So now let me select these and click save. So it has now taken me to the second exhibit. I had chosen two quantities there. So let me go ahead and now this one doesn't have any shared graphics. It has only main graphics. It shows not available here. So it brings me back to this page. I click on save inventory for this job. This message comes up here. And then it saves the inventory. It says inventory save for the job. Now let's go back to the inventory page. So Rebecca, to answer your question, you said that it should be clear that which graphics are going with which exhibit, which unit of the exhibit. So if we see this one, this has two quantities and we have clearly mentioned here unit ID, unit 1 and unit 2 and the graphics along with it. So it is pretty clear that which graphic is going with which particular exhibit. And same goes for this one also. It says unit 1 and then it says unit 2 here and then the graphics along with it A1, B1, C, D, E. So it's pretty clear that which one will go with which exhibit. So I hope that that this clarifies and it is in order. So we are now implementing the same functionality in the client login, wherein when the client logs in and tries to make a job, they should be able to see multiple exhibits and they should be able to select multiple exhibits and put quantities on them. So probably by tomorrow or latest by day after, we'll be sharing that video also. Thank you so much.